Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss into a topic a lot of NEBOSH students wonder about how exactly are NEBOSH exams marked. If you're preparing for your NEBOSH exam or just curious about the process, stick around because I'm going to explain step by step how the marking system works and why it's designed to be fair and consistent. Section 1. The papers go to examiners. So, after you sit your NEBOSH exam, what happens next? Well, NEBOSH collects all the exam papers and sends them out to examiners for marking. You might imagine it as NEBOSH saying, "Here's a batch of papers, take a look, see what you think, and mark them." But it's actually a lot more structured and fairer than just giving examiners a pile of papers to grade as they see fit. Section 2. Why marks aren't immediately awarded. When the examiners first receive the papers, they don't immediately award marks on the spot. Instead, has a system in place because you have different examiners. Some tend to be stricter and some are more lenient. This difference is natural, but it wouldn't be fair to students if their marks depended on which examiner happened to mark their paper. Section 3. The marking system, fairness and consistency. So, what does NEBOSH do to balance this? They provide each examiner with a detailed mark scheme specific to that particular exam. This mark scheme is confidential, but it's not some mysterious secret. It's basically a bullet point list that sets out exactly what examiners can award marks for. Section 4. How the mark scheme works. Here's how it works. If an examiner reads a sentence or a paragraph in your answer and thinks it deserves a mark, they must check if it corresponds to one of the bullet points on the mark scheme. If it matches a bullet point, the examiner can give that mark. If it doesn't match any bullet points, even if the examiner personally thinks it's a good point, no mark can be awarded for it. These points don't have to be word for word. The examiner just needs to see that what you've written fits the idea outlined in the mark scheme's bullet points. So, what should you take away from this? When you are writing your NEBOSH exam answers, remember there's a mark scheme guiding the examiners. Your goal should be to answer clearly and directly to the points that are likely to be on that list. This way, your answers are more likely to be recognized and awarded marks fairly. I hope this gives you a better understanding of how NEBOSH exams are marked and why it's a fair system designed to be consistent for everyone.